friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Crafts with Isha. Today we are going to make a decoration for our tables. This is what we are going to make today. Everybody likes rabbits because they are so cute and they are white in color. So if the material needed is really simple and available at everyone's house. So the first material we need is a blank A4 sheet, and next we need a simple pencil, eraser and scale, and next we need a black sketch pen and a pink sketch pen or any marker pen you have, and then we need Fevicol and scissors. So let's start, but first we have to divide the paper so that it will be easy for us to cut. So for dividing the paper, we need to draw a line. For that the width is 7 centimeter. So the width is 7 centimeter and the length is the size of the whole A4 sheet. So I have measured 7 centimeter. And I am going to draw the line now. So you can see this is the line. Next we need to go in the bottom and we need to again make a partition which is of 14 centimeter is the width and 7 centimeter is the length. So 14 centimeter is the width and 7 centimeter is the length. So we have to trace it again. Next we again have to draw the same thing. So again we have to draw 14 centimeter length. The width is 14 centimeter and the length is 7 centimeter. Next we have to draw again a strip which is again of 14 centimeter is the width and the length is of 2.5 centimeter. So the width is 14 centimeter and the length is 2.5 centimeter. And the leftover part also we have to trace. So let's continue tracing. And the leftover part we have to leave it like that because we have to draw the rabbit face. To draw the rabbit face we have to draw an oval. And we have to draw the ears, which is the shape of a leaf. And we are done with this. So the paper should look like this. And I am going to erase the centimeters and the lengths. So after erasing it will look like this. And next we have to start cutting on the lines we have traced. So let's take the scissor and exactly on the lines we had traced, we have to cut. And we have to cut the rabbit face also. So this is one of it. This is the face. this is a strip. And these are the two halves, and now we only have to cut the rabbit face and leave the rest over. So you see, these are the cuttings. Now let's put all of them aside, and we'll continue by sticking them together one by one. So now we have to take the longest one. It was of 7 centimeter width, and we have to cut the middle point. So we fold it into half. And now we get the middle point, which is over here. So from this side we have to fold it till the middle point, and the same as the other side. And now we get these points. So we have 4, and now we have to put this like this. So we'll get this. I'll tell it to you again. We have to put from this one, the last one, to the first one. So we fold this like this, and we put it to the first one like this. So we get it like this, and now we stick it. So we put glue over here. And stick it together like this. You will get a triangle shape. So we don't need to wait for it to dry, we just need to move on. And by the time it is drying, we'll make the legs and the hands. So we fold this into half to get a perfect one, and we take our pencil and we draw a leg like this. So we draw it like this, you will get it like this, and then we need to cut it. So after we are done cutting, we'll get it like this. Next we need to shape it. So for shaping it, we need to just make a little bit curve in the bottom over here, and like this. So we are done shaping it, and our leg is ready. So we need to keep it aside. And the same way for the other half, we need to again do the same thing, and we fold it, and we again make the same thing, exact same thing. If you don't want to do like this, you can trace it on also. So you see, we got the exact same thing. Now we need to cut it into half. So we don't need to shape this, we just need to cut it from the middle line. So you see, we got almost every part of the rabbit. So these are the final parts you will get. So let's start sticking them together. So before sticking them, we need to again shape this one a little bit curve after doing that, like this. and then we need to start sticking. So for that we need to take our the thing we had made before, and we need to paste it like this, and we make sure you paste it a little bit like this. Not the full thing should be here, and nor it should be like this. It should be the medium. So you see it will look like this from the back. So like this we have to stick it. So you put glue, and make sure you stick it properly. Next we need to make this the hands. So we stick it like this. So you see it should be like this. From the it should be slanted like this from the back. Here from this point we need to start, and it will look like this. So I put glue and I stick it. So you see we have sticked that, and the same way we have to do the other side. So we take the other thing and we stick it the same way like this. We have to stick it. But before that, before the glue dries, make sure you stick it properly so that it does not come out when you are sticking the other one. So you again put glue over here. And you stick it. So you see we are done almost. And next we need to design the rabbit's face. And before that we have to make some marks over here on the hands with pink sketch pen. So you can make dots like this and color it with a sketch pen or a crayon. And make sure it's only till here, not above this. And we are done. Next we need to design the face. So let's keep this aside and take the face. So for the face, first we need to make the eyes with the black sketch pen. So I take the black sketch pen and I make the eyes. And we get the eyes. Next we need to make it at the below like this, a small little curve. Next we need to make the nose. So for the nose, I make again a small circle in the middle. And then we mix this with a black sketch pen. Next, we need to make with pink sketch pen the ears. So we trace the ears like this. And we color them. The same way the other side also we have to make. So we make the same as the other side and we again color it. So we get the rabbit's face done. And if you want, it is optional that you can make a line at the surrounding. So I think it will look good. So I'm also going to make a line at the surrounding of it with black sketch pen. So you see, we are done with the rabbit's face, and we are almost done by finishing our rabbit. So you see, only these 3 parts are left, and this is also dried nicely. Next we need to fold this. So for folding this strip, we need to make one fold and another fold, and again flip it, and we again flip it and fold, flip it, and we fold it again. So you see, we are done with it, and it's a spring. So now only assembling is left, and we are almost done. So we need to put the string like this at the front. Remember to put it the side you have stick the legs, not the back side. So I open the glue and we stick it. You see, we have sticked it, and our rabbit is almost ready. Next we need to stick the face. So we stick the face. So you see, we are done, and our rabbit is looking good. Now let's wait for it to dry, and until it's dry, we don't touch it. So we have it's dried, and we are done with it. So now you see, we have kept it on our table, and it is looking so nice. So when you are studying, you can keep it over there or anywhere near to your TV or on your table, your study table, anywhere you want, you can keep it, and it will look brilliant. So we are done with making today's craft, and thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.